In today's video, I'll be taking you on a nighttime journey through the newly reopened Chinese gardens. As the sun sets and darkness falls, the gardens transform into a beautifully illuminated wonderland. Make sure to watch until the end before planning your own visit. You won't want to miss these views. It's around 7 p.m., and the sky is gradually turning dark, setting the perfect mood for our exploration of the Chinese gardens. The enchanting atmosphere is just beginning to come alive with the lights illuminating the pathways and structures. Join me as we delve into this captivating evening experience. Here we are at the Chinese gardens, where the beauty of the surroundings becomes even more enchanting as night falls. The soft glow of the lanterns and the serene ambience create a perfect backdrop for our evening stroll. Let's take a closer look at what this magical place has to offer after dark. As we enter through the grand main door of the Chinese gardens, we step into a world of tranquility and beauty. The soft glow of lanterns guides our way, illuminating the intricate designs and traditional architecture that surround us. Crossing the first bridge, we can hear the gentle sound of water flowing beneath us, adding to the peaceful ambience. The view from the bridge is breathtaking, with the reflections of the gardens shimmering in the water. Each step brings us closer to the heart of the gardens, where we'll discover more stunning sights. As we move further, crossing additional bridges that connect different areas, we're treated to varying perspectives of the gardens. The juxtaposition of the lush greenery against the night sky creates a picturesque scene that feels almost dreamlike. The bridges themselves, adorned with delicate carvings and designs, are not just pathways but a vital part of the garden's charm. Let's take our time here to appreciate the serene surroundings and the artistry that makes these gardens so special at night. Here we are at the exhibition area dedicated to telling the story of the lake. This space is designed to enhance our understanding of the cultural significance and ecological importance of this serene body of water. The exhibition features informative displays that showcase the lake's history, its role in traditional Chinese garden design, and its symbolic meanings. You will find illustrations and descriptions that highlight how the lake embodies the principles of feng shui, promoting balance and harmony within the garden. As we make our way toward the Twin Pagodas, the enchanting atmosphere of the Chinese gardens truly comes alive. These iconic structures stand majestically against the night sky, their intricate architectural details illuminated by soft, ambient lighting. The pagodas, with their distinct roofs and elegant lines, create a stunning focal point in the gardens. As we approach, the reflections in the surrounding water enhance their beauty, creating a mirror image that adds to the tranquility of the scene. Walking along the pathway, you can feel the gentle breeze and hear the rustle of leaves, which adds to the serene experience. The closer we get, the more we can appreciate the craftsmanship that went into designing these pagodas. They not only serve as stunning landmarks but also offer a glimpse into the rich cultural heritage that inspired their creation. Now, let's head toward the stone boat, another captivating highlight of the Chinese gardens. As we stroll along the winding paths, the gentle sounds of the night accompany us, creating a serene atmosphere. As we approach the stone boat, its unique structure comes into view, beautifully illuminated against the backdrop of the dark sky. This charming replica of a traditional Chinese stone boat seems to float gracefully on the water, with its detailed carvings and traditional design captivating the eye. Now, let's continue our journey toward the main pagoda, the centerpiece of the Chinese gardens. As we walk along the path, the atmosphere becomes even more enchanting, with the soft glow of lanterns lighting our way. As we approach the main pagoda, its towering presence commands attention. The intricate architectural details and vibrant colors are beautifully highlighted in the evening light, showcasing the craftsmanship that went into its design. This majestic structure stands as a symbol of harmony and tranquility, embodying the essence of traditional Chinese architecture. Standing at the base of the pagoda, you can take in the surrounding views, where the gardens spread out like a serene tapestry of nature and culture. The sound of the water features nearby adds to the calming ambience, making this a perfect spot to pause and reflect. As we gaze up at the main pagoda, notice how the lights accentuate its features, creating a stunning silhouette against the night sky. This is a great opportunity for photos, capturing not only the beauty of the pagoda but also the serene environment that surrounds it. Let's take a moment to appreciate this iconic landmark before we explore more of the gardens. As we wrap up our enchanting night tour of the Chinese gardens, we can exit from here toward the Chinese Garden MRT station. This pathway leads us back through the beautifully illuminated grounds, allowing us to soak in the serene atmosphere one last time. The journey to the MRT station offers a final chance to capture any last-minute photos of the gardens under the stars. Once we reach the station, we can easily connect back to the city, bringing this magical evening to a close.